Hello everyone. This is Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And actually we are discussing in a previous episodes about the optical and microwave communication engineering lecture series. So this is the next version, next episode. The topic which we are going to deliver is APD, that is Avalanche Photodiode. So that topic it comes under the photodetector. Already we have discussed so many optical sources. So how to detect the optical sources which was transmitted by the transmitter end, that actually in a receiver we supposed to use the photodetector to detect the information, right? So this APD is one of a thing which is used for low light purpose. Even in your optical fiber communication, there must be see, we cannot expect more light at every time. The intensity and some parameters are varying, right, time to time. So even for low light, the information should be retrieved what we have transmitted from the transmitter side, right? So this APD is specifically used for a high sensitive photodetector compared to the pin diode. So pin diode already we discussed. This photodiode is only for a sensitive low light areas we can use this APD. So this APD, which is nothing but of it uses the principle of avalanche multiplication process. That means if the light will falls on the diode, what will happen means the charge carriers will be multiplied. The charge carriers, the photons, will be multiplied with each other, so that it will be operated in the high reverse bias condition only, and due to this photon, so the heavy multiplication will take place. So automatically you can get some accurate output information at the receiver block, right? Already we have discussed not only the photo detector is there, we have some separate internal components are available in the receiver section that would make the appropriate output at the output end, right? So that is the process of this photodetector. So this APD, I said, this is the main thing, and we have compared not only by the words. We cannot tell it has advantage. We have compared. There is a comparison. Different parameter comparison is available right now. We are seeing in the screen. So the gain and several factors. So compared to the pin diode, the avalanche, that is APD, this avalanche photodiode is higher than compared to the pin diode, right? So appropriately, what is the verdict here is based on the application, based on the R application in the fiber optic communication, we can go either pin diode detector or APD detector, or some other detector also would be there that we will be seeing in the next episode. So based on our requirement, what is the purpose we are going and what kind of output we require, that matters really. So based upon that only we can use any kind of a thing, right? So the conclusion is the APD, which uses the principle of avalanche multiplication. That avalanche multiplication, as a student, you would have studied the PN junction diode in your first semester itself, right? PN junction diode and its operation. There is a forward bias, reverse bias. In reverse bias, there are several things are there, right? Forward bias, there is a threshold point, barrier potential. Reverse bias, higher reverse voltage, avalanche multiplication process. So several things are there, right? That before studying this APD, you just go through the PN junction diode once again, especially in a reverse bias condition. What happens in PN junction diode when reverse bias, when we are applying the higher voltage, that you have to learn. Then if you understand that high reverse voltage, what happens, what phenomena will happen, then probably you can understand this APD also, right? So the final thing is, so I said already, based upon the your requirement and application and the purpose, we can go for this APD. So thank you. We will connect in the next session. Thank you.